Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to find message requests on Instagram. Before beginning, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And press the bell icon, so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. When users you don't follow sends you a message, you'll receive it as a message request on Instagram. Go to your Instagram application and tap it open. Sign into your account if necessary. Once you do that from your Instagram feed, select the Messenger button at the top right corner. This will display your direct messages on Instagram. You'll be able to see your message request at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can see the list of the message requests you received on Instagram. Select the message by tapping on it, and here you'll be prompted to accept, delete or block the message. And user hit accept to respond to a message, but if you hit delete the message will disappear. You can also block the contact or report the user. That is how you can view message requests on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.